Now, when you people came and applied, okay, and in that number, which is less than 800, a particular number about, let me say, 2/3, if not more than 2/3 of it was for lecturers, whereas the balance was for the non-academic staff. Because prima facie, the main essence of a university is teaching. So we cannot do without lecturers. So the deployment was declared that so and so number of lecturers should be employed, and so and so number of non-academics should be employed. And when they now, and as you have been employed, there's a particular salary level that you're supposed to enjoy under the university salary scale. But when you came in, they were now giving you things lower than what. Did you hear that? Did you see that one? Where they were reducing your, what if you are to be paid, say, let me say, no, you already knew what you were in for. Listen very well, because what I'm telling you, I think someone